Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing why Kong looks so old in Godzilla vs. Kong. Kong already looks like an older member of his species in Godzilla vs. Kong trailer, despite not having lived that long in comparison to other titans in the Monsterverse. Kong's appearance has received a few updates since the last time he was in action in Kong Skull Island. The giant ape was depicted as an adolescent in Kong Skull Island, a movie set in the early 1970s. Because his parents and the rest of his species were apparently wiped out by the skull crawlers, the young ape was left as the last of his kind and the king of Skull Island. In the film, the arrival of humans led to re-emergence of more skull crawlers, which Kong had to fight hard to repel. Several decades after crossing paths with Monarch for the first time and protecting the island from danger, Kong is back for another Monsterverse battle, this time with Godzilla. In just 50 years, the 104-foot-tall ape has grown to Godzilla size. The trailer makes it clear that the massive growth spurt isn't the only thing that's changed about Kong. In addition to his increased size, Kong appears much older in other ways. His fur has taken on a darker shade and he's grown a beard that gave him the wise, seasoned look of a titan that has lived a long life. His old appearance stands out in stark contrast to his actual age. Most titans like Godzilla and Godzilla King of the Monsters' original titles have lived for thousands of years, whereas Kong may not much older than a century. This suggests that Kong's species has much shorter lifespans. All this makes sense, especially when taking into consideration what is known about Kong's aging. He was in his juvenile years in both the 1944 and 1973 portions of the film, but now appears to be deep into the adult phase of his life. If Kong's species were like other titans, it's likely the growth spurt would have happened at a much slower pace. If it had, it's hard to imagine that Kong would be able to go toe-to-toe with Godzilla in Godzilla vs. Kong. To face a monster as powerful as him, Kong will not only need to match him in size, but he'll need a certain degree of wisdom that only a fully grown titan could possess. He may be an adult now who has fought off an untold number of skull crawlers for a century or more, but Godzilla, the current king of monsters, is an ancient beast who has been battling immensely powerful threats like Ghidorah and the Mutos for ages. Unfortunately, Kong's experience can't compare to that. In fact, it's possible that he is the youngest titan to ever compete for the crown in the Monsterverse.